Today I'm restoring the nubuck on these 15-year-old SB Dunks worth over $1,000. Previous owner cleaned them in the washing machine and the nubuck is completely ruined. After I take the laces out, I put a shoe tree in and get to work. First I get a medium bristle brush to brush off any loose dirt, then I grab a cuticle pusher and work on scratching every fiber in all directions. Don't be afraid to be rough with it, then I brush it. Then cuticle pusher, then brush, a few times until it looks nice and buttery. Finally, I take a little mink oil, let it sit for 5 minutes, then brush it in with an electric shoe polisher. Here's the before, here's the after. If you like this video, please click like and share it. My channel, Papi Chulo, covers sneaker cleaning, restoration, as well as unboxings, authentication guides, and exposing scams.